Hey my lovelies, welcome back to my channel. In today's video we'll be making a blackheads and whiteheads remover, and with this treatment we only need just two ingredients, which is baking soda and Colgate toothpaste. So in here I'm just squeezing a bit of toothpaste into my mixing bowl, and next I'll be taking half of teaspoon of baking soda into the bowl and mix it together thoroughly. That's what I'm doing here. So here I'm just mixing the toothpaste with the baking soda together to form a nice paste, not too thick and not too watery, just a nice paste. So have you subscribed yet? Have you subscribed? Our mixture is ready. So next I'll be using a hot toothbrush to apply this mixture on my face, and I'll be going in with a very gentle hand, not too hard, and remember not to use a hard bristle toothbrush. Use the soft bristle toothbrush to do this, to apply this mixture on your face, and concentrate more on the part that you tend to have black head or white head so much, because my own problem area is my nose area. I tend to have white heads on that area, even though now they are gone because I've been using this treatment for a while and they are almost completely gone. Yes, I used to be a whitehead candidate, but thank God to this remedy. So anyways, ladies and gentlemen, apply this on your face and do not go hard. Use a very soft and to gently exfoliate that on your skin in a circular motion. I'm sure by now you must have subscribed. If you have not subscribed, what are you waiting for? Don't carry last. Hit that subscribe button now. Oh yeah, jokes apart, subscribe. Please subscribe. I need your support to carry on. If you don't want me to go off again, I need your support, and that's gonna mean a lot to me. So here I'm still going hard, applying it all over my face. And be careful, do not let that mixture get into your eyes. And yes, so after applying it to on your face, then you leave it on for like 5 minutes. It's okay, you can also use that to exfoliate your lips. You can apply it on your lips and scrub it, but I just don't want to do that here. And here I'm just showing how dirty the brush looks. You can see from the toothbrush how dirty it looks. The color has changed. Yeah, that a little bit of it got into my eyes and it got me crying. So anyways, this is the finished product after 5 minutes. I washed my face off and you can see how clean and clear my face is. And yeah, that's the end of the video, ladies and gentlemen. If you have not subscribed, what are you waiting for? Hit that subscribe button. Leave me a comment on this video up if you like it, and also share this video with your friends and family, and turn on the notification bell just so you'll be notified anytime I have new videos uploaded. And also follow me on my social media. I'm on Instagram, I'm on Snapchat at I am Bookie Oweye. Follow me, let's get connected. Also check the description box below for the link to my other videos. To my new subscriber, welcome to the family. Thank you for the support. To my old one, thank you for the love. I heart you all mega. Bye for now, and I'll see you in my next video.